All right, so I want to give this new browser Atlas a better shot than I did yesterday. Okay, it was released yesterday. I was a little tired by the end of the day. I gave it a little test. I tried to have it make a Notion sheet of the best algo trading stuff and whatever. You know, it. I want to say it kind of failed. That's fine though. That's fine though. That's V1, dude. V1. I wanted to go ahead and try again. You know, there was just some bug. It got interrupted. Maybe my internet. No, it didn't fail. My internet went out. My internet went out. I'm bullish. I'm bullish, bullish, bullish on anything in browser AI. So sick. Okay, so let's give it my GitHub because I have this AI agents GitHub. You could read about it. Just go to MoonDev AI agents. It has 20 plus different AI agents here, and you could read about it in the README, but essentially a lot of trading agents, things that you have to still put a strategy into. I don't really believe into trading with an AI, just say, hey, should I buy or sell? At least use a swarm. So actually that's what I pushed today is a swarm agent. Anyways, I want to give the AI this GitHub here and see what she could do for trading. Go ahead and analyze this GitHub here and think of some from the stance of Jim Simons, trading agents that we could build to add on to this GitHub. Let's just give it something simple, simple, simple. I gave it the Notion yesterday. We'll see how it does today. So this is Atlas. I wasn't able to GitHub directly. The browser tool can only see verified accessible. Okay. So I have to go there. How about now? Perfect. I can see the full repo now. This is one of the most advanced open source autonomous trading agent frameworks I've seen. It's basically an AI trading swarm orchestration system combining multi-model reasoning, on-chain, off-chain integrations, content-driven strategy research, and cross-platform data collection. Let's analyze this the way Jim Simons would, through the lens of signal extraction, ensemble systems, and meta learning. Then I'll propose 10 new high value agents that could extend this repo towards a Renaissance style quant lab. Jim Simons style view. The key is finding signals that others don't see, combining them statistically, and executing with discipline. From that perspective, the repo already covers idea generation, signal aggregation, and execution. The missing layer is meta intelligence, agents that learn about the agents, adapt to market regimes, and continuously mine new alpha sources. Jim Simons would want massive parallelism, many weak signals combined probabilistically, adaptive weighting, cross-domain data ingestion, execution precision, self-reflexivity. Okay, so I want you to go ahead and build out these ideas into a Notion. You could just use a new Notion page. You're already logged in, I believe. Okay, so the Metaswarm agent consumes all JSON outputs every minute and produces a portfolio decision. I don't currently have access to your Notion account or permission to directly create or edit pages there. Here's what I could do. Generate a ready to import Notion document. I mean, do I have to go to Notion or I guess I'm just a booter. I don't know how to use this. Log in. Let's go ahead and log in. Yeah, use Notion as that. Continue as Moon. Okay, there you go. You should have access to the other tab now. I'm logged in. Perfect. I can see GitHub context clearly now. Generate a ready to import Notion. At Notion? All right, just early days. Early days. I don't know how to use this yet. I think that's the problem. Can you go um, page through page of this GitHub and show me around? I don't know, dude. I guess this is a new problem. Like, what do you do with it now? Absolutely. Let's take a guided tour through your MoonDev AI agents. Maybe it's not agent mode. Maybe that's why. Okay, let's go ahead and try this again. Give me, Teddy, your absolute best Jim Simons ideas for next trading agents that we should build. Build them into a Notion. Just make a new Notion. Okay, I think this, maybe this, okay, there we go. I was like, okay, I mean, this is what I was looking for. So you got to put it in the agent mode. You'll get 7 days of extended limits on messaging, file uploads, data analysis. I don't know what that means. Yo, my bad. It's doing its magic though. Okay, I got something good. Okay, you can see it's working. Perfect, perfect. I don't know what I just clicked on accident, but go ahead and build out with images that you create a really great overview Notion that's like an onboarding but fun and like a bunch of imagery and graphs and an easy onboarding essentially for this GitHub. It should be a beautiful, beautiful Notion that is just super easy to flow through. It's not overly technical. It's written in a 7th grade reading language, but not to kids. Of course, we're developers, data dogs, you know. But yeah, essentially take that GitHub and make its official fun onboarding. Okay, so this is pretty slick, dude. So Jim Simons inspired trading agent ideas, statistical arbitrage agent. Okay. High frequency microstructure agent. Okay. Cross sectional momentum and mean reversion agent. Okay. Multi factor modeling agent. Okay. All right. So let's see if she could do that because this would be actually kind of useful. So I'm not going to send the link again. I know. I can use your browser to create a polished, image-rich Notion onboarding document for GitHub. Something visually fun, written in clear language with graphs, sections, and smoother. Would you like me to continue? Yeah, dude. Yeah. That's exactly what I would like you to do. Everything I would like you to do is gonna be told to you through Whisper. Thank you. I'm working on creating sections for the Notion. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Let's go ahead and see what she does. Considering getting a pie chart. Okay. I want this on a new Notion though. This has nothing to do with the last task I gave you. Let's see if she can handle that. Oh, she could do it. All right, I do need ChatGPT for something though. Tell me about LangChain. I'm pretty sure it's all open source. I'm curious what their whole model is. Last time I checked, they were a unicorn. Are they all open source or how? Yeah, explain this to me. That's very fascinating. That's cool, dude. I like open source. I mean, that's what I've been doing. If you think about it, I show you all my code every day. It's not like I build something without you, dude. But being able to put it in writing, it's nice. Okay, MoonDev AI agents onboarding guide. Yo, I'll be right back. I gotta get connected to X on this. Oh, he called it X finally. Such a boomer. Twitter. How do I get logged in is my question. Sign in. Okay. Twitter. We couldn't find your account. Probably because I'm a slow guy and I put my Oh no, that's not it. Okay. Yeah, that's my bad. I'm a slow guy and I put my password in as my username. Okay, there it is. Right password here. Okay, let's get it in there. We can save it. Okay. Okay, sick, dude. I'm back. I'm in Twitter now as well. Okay, look at this. Okay, she's adding charts. Nice, dude. Wow. Okay, okay. Welcome to MoonDev AI agents. Oh, I can't scroll. I can't scroll. That was my bad. My bad. My bad. Take control. No way. You got this. You got this. You got the wheel. All right, I'm gonna come back to her. Great question. You're almost right, but there are some important nuances. You're referring to LangChain Inc. Often just LangChain, the company behind the open source framework LangChain. Here's a rundown of what they are, what they've open sourced, what's commercial, how they make money, and what trade-offs. What is LangChain? LangChain was launched in 2022, created by Harrison Chase, then working at a startup. The original aim: provide a framework to connect large language models to data sources, tools, APIs, and build more than just text in, text out apps. Over a short time, they incorporated a company, LangChain Inc., around the project and raised venture funding. They recently raised 125 million at 1.25 billion, making them a unicorn. Their mission: make intelligent agents ubiquitous. Oh, is she done? The new Notion onboarding has been created with a friendly, easy to follow layout. It includes a bold cover, a rocket icon. All right, well, I want you to go ahead and open up Twitter and then say, I just had OpenAI's new browser create this Notion about our open source AI agents framework and post this tweet. I'll probably get banned for that. But we'll see. Starting to open Twitter. Okay. So let's see if you can do this, dude. I don't see her opening it, but okay, here she goes. Yeah, but you gotta take a screenshot of the Notion and then put that as the image of the tweet. And also add, after a couple line breaks, say, and it made this tweet. And then another couple line breaks saying, please don't ban me. If I get banned from Twitter, dude, for these antics, if I get banned from Twitter for these antics, YOLO, bro. YOLO. You think I need Twitter in my life, bro? No. But it's fun. It's fun. Let's see if she can do it, dude. Please don't ban me. Think I'm gonna get banned here? I'm afraid I don't have the capability to capture a screenshot and upload it as an image. The tools available to me cannot download or upload files. If you'd still like me to post a tweet without an image, nah, but say all the things I said and then also just add the link at the bottom. Make sure there's good space in between lines so it's easy to read. Here we go. Capturing Notion screenshot. What? I've created a new tweet with appropriate spacing. It should say, it also made this tweet. And change it to say, I just had OpenAI's new browser create this Notion onboarding for our AI agent framework. That would be the first line. Oh, it's okay. Okay. Annie, are you okay? Are you okay, Annie? I just had OpenAI's new browser create this Notion onboarding for our AI agent framework. It also made this tweet. Please don't ban me. Okay, post that. All right, post it. Can't you actually post it? Why are you stopping in between all this? Okay, now I want you to reply to the tweet in short sections with nice line breaks in between sentences of the actual onboarding documentation, and you'll chunk it up so it'll be like no more than 140 characters per response to the tweet, and you're going to make a tweet thread. This will be the actual stuff from the onboarding document that you made. You could make it a little shorter if you want, but yeah, this should probably be 10, 20 different replies. Do this autonomously until you're done. Let's see if she can do it, dude. Create a tweet thread. I need to break up the onboarding document into clear, short sections, each under 140 characters. Yeah, stop asking me, bro. Yes, please. Is there any way we could do this autonomously without this back and forth stuff? I want you to just go, go, go. All right. I mean, this is cool and all, but like, I don't know. This is not. It's not for trading. I don't really care too much about it. I want you to go ahead and pivot. We're gonna go back to researching trading ideas. I want you to search the web for new trading idea articles that have been articles or videos, YouTube videos that have been created in the last 6 months, and then come up with the 10 most the ten strategies you think would do the best in crypto specifically. Go ahead and then build a Notion for that and cite all your sources. Use Google, YouTube, Arvix or whatever the paper place is, and Google Scholar. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and kill that little project there because that was cool. It looks like it can tweet, but I could have tweeted faster. And having to like answer back and forth, I wonder if there's a way to turn that off. I'm sure there is. I'm gonna delete this, dude, before I get banned. Please don't ban me. Okay, the user wants to shift to research. I'll start by searching for articles. Feel free to also use Twitter, honestly. Feel free to also use Twitter. That would be a pretty cool source. Error. See, this is what happened yesterday, and then I just stopped messing with it. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and just give it a reboot because it's new, bro. It's new. Okay, so I'm just gonna give it a reboot here. Close tab. Agent, you're done. We're gonna pop you back open over here. We're gonna check you out over here. Let's see, agent, where are you? Home. Paste that in. Paste this in as well. And then lastly, Twitter would be a cool source. Let's go ahead and get it, dude. You've got Notion. You've got Twitter. Let's see what you can do. All right, so she's gathering sources for strategies. Oh, that's what I want to do, dude. I'll do that tomorrow. Okay. Momentum trading, mean reversion trading, liquidity zone sniping. Trend continuation pullback, VWAP fade strat, EMA bounce system, arbitrage trading, high frequency algorithmic trading, day trading and intraday. Okay, so now get specific. Give me 3 actionable strategies in toggle menus underneath the main strategy that are specific and written out in a way that an AI could definitely backtest this using backtesting.py really quickly and really easily. So while all these that you gave me are pretty broad, I want you to get 3 very specific ones we can write a description prepared for backtesting. This could be interesting. Is that facts, B? It's facts. How's she doing here? Toggle list. Let's see what's going on here. Any cool sweeps? Yeah, so this is a little weird. I'm gonna let her do her thing because I guess this is the point of it. Not just sit here and watch her do it, dude. Yeah, duh. That is crazy. Don't just sit here and watch her work. You wait till she's done. I'm not just gonna sit here and watch her with you, dude. I'm sorry. So I'm not just gonna sit here and watch her. My bad. My bad. I don't want to watch her anymore. I'm getting bored. I'm getting big time bored watching her. So I got some things to say here with our girl Claude. Little Claudia, how you doing? Claude. Dangerously skip permissions. So I feel like our today's clusters does I think we need to debug it a bit because there's been a bunch of clusters and it seems to only print out like 3 or 4 and then it will change and it'll be 3 or 4 new ones. But in my mind, if those were within the last 24 hours, then it should show them both at the same time. Why would there be like 5 minutes, 3 clusters, and then another 5 minutes that'd be a totally different other 3? That would have to be such a coincidence that happens over and over again. I think we need to just like rethink today's clusters. And the goal is to be able to get all of these big clusters or big traders to show on the screen that have happened in the last 24 hours. So when I come back to it, the list might be hella long, and that's fine. That's fine. That's what I want. All right, I hope she understands that. A little frustrated with that, as you can maybe hear. Not actually frustrated, because I'm really just chilling. I just have to tell with AI what to do all day. Just building away. Okay, let's see what's going on here. Looks like she said she's done. These strategies build upon the techniques discussed in recent research. Okay, let's see how she did. Okay, looking good up here. Oh, it's empty. Okay, cool. I'm gonna keep thinking about use cases here and how to use her. I appreciate her. I'm excited for her. And I think it's just gonna take some time from both of us. I gotta learn how to use you. You gotta learn how to get my things done. And we're gonna just keep locking in every once in a while, maybe every day. 20 minutes, 30 minutes. Browsers using themselves is the sickest thing ever, dude. Sickest thing ever.